What's up guys, welcome back to Big Tech Unboxing, and today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is the 256 gigabyte version and it's natural titanium, as you can see right here. 256 natural titanium iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now this iPhone also comes in other colors such as black titanium, white titanium, blue titanium and natural titanium. It has a titanium build all around, ceramic shield front, and textured matte glass back. So let's start opening it up. Now as I'm opening it up, other variations that it comes in is 256 gigabyte, 512 gigabyte, and 1 terabyte. Right now we have the 256 terabyte. Now as you can see, we have the natural titanium finish. With the matte glass back. And before we start unboxing this, unwrapping it, we have same stickers from Apple, and we have a braided USB-C cable. Now I'm hearing that these phones are having a lot of problems overheating and stuff. I talked to an Apple representative before I got the phone. They said as long as you use the cable, Apple cable with the Apple iPhone, you should be good. And alongside that, apparently they're also working with making a software to reduce the CPU usage of the background apps to help prevent the overheating. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. We have USB-C on the bottom, have our volume rockers on the side, and then we have our button, no longer the switch. We have our kind of like an action button on the side, 3 cameras, power, so let's power this up. And while I'm powering it up, we could go over some of the specs. The max is 6.29 inches and the width is 3.02 with a depth of 0.32 inches. This one weighs 221 grams, has a 6.7 inch screen going across, Super Retina XDR display. We have a 460 ppi resolution. This model and the iPhone Pro, the regular one, both have the dynamic island, always on display. You have that's optional. ProMotion technology up to refresh rates of 120 Hertz. We have HDR display, True Tone, haptic touch, and more features. I'll be setting it up in a bit. We have splash water and dust resistance, rated IP68. That means a depth of 6 meters up to 30 minutes. We have the new A17 Pro chip. And for the 15 Pro Max, when it comes to the cameras, we have a 48 megapixel main camera. Then we have a 12 megapixel ultra wide, and then we have the 12 megapixel telephoto. Now this one, I think the maximum on this phone is 5 times optical zoom. Video recording, we have 4K at 24, 25, 30, 60 FPS, and then when it comes to 1080p, we have 25, 30, and 60 FPS. We have the true depth camera, 12 megapixels, Face ID, obviously Apple Pay, and this specific one we got from AT&T. Bought it with our own money just to do this review and unboxing. AT&T kind of has a good deal right now going on if you add a line with them. I believe something like that. So now let's set this up and then we'll be back Also, while it's updating, I could show you what case I got for this phone. I've been getting these anti-yellowing cases just because they're anti-yellowing. I have one on this phone also, and it did not yellow for a very long time, and I never ended up switching it out either. And it's like a matte white case, matte clear case, sorry, not white. I like them a lot because there's no fingerprints on them, no smudging and stuff like that. So this one right here is from Spigen. This is the case it came in, right? Spigen. Doesn't say iPhone 15 Pro Max, but it does have the Dimension 6.7 inch screen, frost clear. Yeah, so it's the frost version. So let me put this phone in here. So there's a film inside. I guess I just put this in here. Just like that. And there's a film on the outside. That one was way easier. So that's what this looks like now. Alright guys, finally got done transferring all my data over to the new iPhone. So it took a couple of tries. It didn't go through the first time, and it kind of got stuck, and like it's gonna take 1 hour, like estimated time remaining is 1 hour. So I had to restart the whole thing after like a couple hours and do it again, and it took a while. But yeah, as you could see, this is what it looks like. I have the dynamic island on top, which you can't see because of my wallpaper, but the always on display was on before, so when you press the power button, the display stays on. I think these two buttons go away. The silent button is now here in this drop down menu, or optionally you could hold down the action button, and as you can see it says silent right there when you hold the action button down. And then on the tap you could assign it to do whatever you want. So yeah guys, this is the review and unboxing of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you guys in the next one.